Everyone, Saif Haddad here, and in this video I'm going to show you something really cool, how to automate Facebook outreach in 2025. This video will show you exactly how to save hours on manual outreach for free, so you can have leads like this with their link, the name, and also personalized opener or outreach for coaches, consultants, creators, and agency owners. So why automate Facebook outreach? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to save hours on manual outreach, how to get personalized DMs that convert, how to use 100% free tools, no software fees whatsoever, and scale your business with quality leads. I'm going to show you how to do this in free software. Also, if you want to automate it faster, you can use paid ChatGPT as well. So let's get started. So step number one is to scrape the leads. First, we want to find a high quality group where your target audience, or what I call the FVP, your favorite client profile, hangs out. So look for niche relevant groups with engaged members. Pro tip, paid groups equals higher quality leads. So if you can pay 20 bucks, 50 bucks, or even $100 to enter the group, maybe you buy a course from a guru and then you join the group, that would be perfect. So step two, is to use instant data scraper and pin it to Chrome for easy use. And step number three is to scrape member profiles, names, and bios into a CSV file. So I'm going to show you the steps, and then I'm going to show you step by step the tutorial. So let's start with step number one. All right, so let me show you how to do that. So step number one, so this is the list, by the way, that I created, but we'll create something from scratch to show you how you can do it from scratch. So the first step is you want to go to a Facebook group where your target market hangs out. So for example, I want to target fitness coaches. I want to help them with marketing and sales. So here's a group, Fit Pro. And then what I want to do is target members with things in common, because Facebook let you add friends with people who are, you have things in common. If you add friends like randomly, they won't let you. So the next step is to get access to this Insta Data Scraper. This is the best in the market, 900,000 users. And then what you want to do is you go back to the Facebook group, you click on members, you go to a member with things in common, and then you click on the Chrome extension. And it will start. So what you want to do is you want to start crawling, right? And then you can go ahead and you continue. Okay, so for example, for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna be okay with just 36 collected. And the next step right now is to download it as CSV file, or you can also copy all, right? And you go here, let's create a new one from scratch, and then you paste all information. There we go. So now we have this list, but the next step now, so this is step number one. We're done with step number one. Step number two is the filtration process. And here we're gonna clean your leads using ChatGPT. So we want to upload the CSV file to ChatGPT. Then we're going to filter out leads without bios. And if you want to be extra detailed, you can also filter out leads without niche relevant keywords. So for example, if you are targeting fitness coaches, anyone who's not a fitness coach in their bio or personal trainer, we're going to remove that as well. But for now, we're going to only keep leads who have bios. Okay. And this is the prompt. Please format this list and remove any leads that don't have a bio. Okay. So what you want to do is you go to ChatGPT. So what you want to do is add the CSV file and then write, please format this list and remove any leads that don't have a bio. And then you download the list basically with the leads, the clean list without any bio. So you can either clean your leads using ChatGPT to get rid of leads without bios, or you can use this way if you want to do it manually. So first thing is, let's put this here, and then you go to the column, the bio column, you right click, you go to sort sheet Z to A, and then basically you remove all the leads without bios right here, and then you delete them, right? That's it. And then you get this back to the top. And that's how you do it. So now we have a list, right? A clean list with leads with buyers. Step number 3 is automation with make.com. And for this to work, you need ChatGPT, the paid version. I'm gonna show you a workaround if you only have the free ChatGPT, but let me show you how this works. First, you wanna set up automation blueprint, import the provided JSON file to make.com. I'm gonna share it to you. If you want it, just DM me JSON and I'll send it to you. And you can connect your Google Sheets and OpenAI API. What it does basically generates personalized messages using data from the spreadsheet. So let me show you how it works. So if you don't have an account, you go ahead and you get started for free. You have 1,000 automations for free. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you click on create a new scenario, and then you click build from scratch. Then you click on more and import blueprint. Again, if you want the JSON blueprint, just DM me, hey Saif, I want the Facebook JSON blueprint for make.com, and I will send it to you right away. So choose file, click on save, and there you have it. So now all you gotta do is basically connect your Google Sheet and you connect your ChatGPT. It's very simple, self-explanatory. For ChatGPT, you just need to add your API key. And if you want, you can just follow the steps, and they give you even the links where to find the API key. So it's very simple, don't worry about it, okay? So in order to get the API key, go to platform.openai.com and then go to settings and click on API keys. If you don't find it, all you gotta do is do a search and then create a new secret key. You give it a name and then project, and you click on create secret key. Also, you will have to connect your OpenAI ID. It's very simple. You click on the link because I already did that. So you click on the link and then you'll get the ID and then you paste it back again. Anyway, after that, you want to add this text, act as a 6-figure copywriter that will write a personalized opening message to leads. The goal is to get positive responses, right, based off this automation from the individual prospect I put below. And basically, you want to map basically everything here. So their first name, here their first name is the second, so B, right? And you want to map their bio, which is on D. So it's very simple. Okay, all you gotta do is you go here, search the name, right? Boom, you add it. And the same thing for bio, put bio, and then you add it here. Cool, that's it. And after that, only include words that are called the DM script, whatever. So this is the script. Hey, first name, I saw you, personalized, respect. So you add personalized compliment, respect, safe. Make sure to change your name here, okay? Glad to connect. I've noticed you follow some good business accounts. I'm curious if I send you a sales script PDF plus a quick step-by-step video showing you how to reach 15K a month. Make sure to basically customize this depending on your niche, depending on your favorite client profile. Would you watch it? Click OK. That's it. And now it's gonna create the personalized outreach message. And you choose where to put it. So for example, I want to put it on the F column. So it will be here in the F column. So let's call it personalized comment, personalized outreach. Okay. And let's make it, there we go. So now when you click, when you run it, all the openers and all the outreach will be created and added here automatically. Cool? Awesome. But what I'm gonna show you now is how to do it manually if you don't have the paid version of ChatGPT. So here's how it works. So again, guys, why we're doing this? Because if you don't have the paid ChatGPT version, then make.com won't work for you. So here's a workaround. So basically what I wanna do is you get this prompt and you go to ChatGPT. Okay, great. And then you go, and then what you want to do is you get the name and the bio, click and copy, then you add paste. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful outreach message. Hey, Ryan, love the work you're doing with our coaching fitness. Respect. It's safe. Glad to connect. Make sure to change your name again. I've noticed you follow some solid biz accounts. I'm curious if I send you sales script PDF plus a quick step-by-step video showing you how to add 15K plus in MRR. Monthly recurring revenue, would you watch it? By the way, this is the same system my clients and I use to generate more leads, appointments, and get more clients. Let me know if you're interested and I will send it over. So basically, this is the message. And you will do the same. Go back to the sheet and you copy this and you put it back again. and you do the same thing until you finish your list. In this situation, we have 59 leads. I'm not going to do that, but you get the point. We're not going to do that, but you get the point. So you have beautiful outreach messages. With this formula, you don't need to pay the ChatGPT, but it will take you more time. So if you want to use the make.com, it's faster, but you need to pay for the paid version of ChatGPT. If you want to save some money, you can do this as well. Okay, so hey Josh, I love the impact you're making with FitPro Collective. Respect, it's safe, glad to connect. I've noticed you follow some great business accounts. I'm curious if I send you sales script PDF, so the same thing, right? So I'm gonna do 10 and I'll come back to you. So there you have it. We have 10 outreach openers. I'm going to show you what to do later on how to automate sending the messages as well. So let me put everything according to the corresponding to the name. So for example, here we have Ryan, we added here. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now we have organized sheet with the link, with the name, with the bio, with the personalized DM outreach. And you can basically do the same thing for the rest of the leads. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how to do that for 10. Okay. And now to the best part, basically. So we showed you how to do the automation. We showed you the personalized message. You can use this message as well. Hey, name, I saw your impressive work at position at company. I'm curious, are you open to new ways to get more clients on results basis? So personalization is key here, which corresponds to higher engagements, which results into higher engagement. Step number 5 is to show an example of the workflow. So import the filtered CSV into Google Sheets, run the automation in make.com, basically if you have the ChatGPT paid version, or manually add the messages to the sheet like I showed you. Basically want to generate up to 50 personalized messages in seconds. Now step number 6, which is the final step, which is basically to send the messages. Here, step number 1, you can automate sending free or manually send. So if you want to manually send, basically all you have to do is you go here, you click on the link, right? And then you just copy and paste the message. You go here, you go, hey, what's up, Ryan? So here's Ryan, fitness coach. What you want to do is you add friend, right? And then you click on the message and you just paste it. And that's how you do it, right? So Ryan, cool. So we have the outreach message. So you can either do it the manual way or the automated way, which if you are lazy like me, you can use built-in tools or extensions to send bulk messages. And there are 2 ways. You can use quick macros if you are using Windows, and you can use morga.com if you're using Mac. Basically, if you want to avoid the manual effort and focus on high quality conversion. So basically, you can do what you can automate the Facebook outreach messaging with your laptop, and at the same time, you can basically send messages on Instagram so you save time, right? So here's, because it's all about speed and all about focusing on results producing activities, which is basically outreach, because we want to generate leads, and basically building a relationship and set an appointment to send them in VSL, and then basically hopefully sell them on the services and deliver amazing services for our clients, because that's what it's all about, right? So if you're using Mac, go to morga.com and basically download the application or the software. And if you're using Windows, Quick Macros for me is the best. So quickmacros.com, you click on download and you know how to do it, right? So it's very simple. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this. It can be a little bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's so simple and beautiful. So first of all, let's close everything. All right, so here's how to do it. Here's how the magic happens, right? So basically what you want to do is you want to click on the first column, A1, and then you go back to quick macros, and then you go back. You want to remember where you put your mouse is. So for example, let's say the bold, and then you click on record, and then what we want to do is you want to click on the down arrow, Control C, and then Control T to open a new tab, Control V to paste the link, click on enter. And it's the same thing for Mac. You just use Command instead of Control, and then you go down, you click on add friend, you wait a little bit, and then you click on message. You go back to your sheet, and with your arrow key on the keyboard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Control C, you go back to the message, you click here, and then Control V, right? And then you hit enter, right? And then you close the box and you close the tab, and then you come back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the left arrow, and that's it. So now we have this code, okay? You save it. So look what happens now. So if you want, we can repeat it, let's say 20 times, but for this purpose, I'm going to do it 9 times, okay? And then you just take this line here and you paste it on every line. You're gonna do this once, right? So that's it. So let's save it. And now look at this magic. I'm not doing anything. You click on run or Control R and then watch. All right, so watch the magic. Look, it goes down, okay? Copy the link, opens a new tab, it pastes it, and then it goes to the page, it goes down, add as a friend, and wait a little bit, and then it goes to add the message. Beautiful. So this is the automation. You can do this while doing something else, doing outreach on Instagram or LinkedIn or whatever, right? So it goes, get the message, hey Josh, goes down, it pastes it, send the message, and then it closes the box, closes the window, and does the same thing again. So there you have it, guys. You can do the same thing with Mac if you want to. Basically, this will save you a lot of time and a lot of energy, and you can focus on something else like doing outreach or answering emails or calls, right? So there you have it. So now let's talk about the practical RPA plan, results producing activities plan, because if you don't take action, nothing happens, right? So first, step number 1, identify a niche group where your favorite client profile hangs out, FCP. Step number 2 is to scrape and filter leads. Step number 3 is to automate personalized messaging, or you can do it manually. Step number 4 is to start meaningful conversations. Step number 5 is to set appointments and send via sales. And step number 6, you can do also follow up. So this is the action plan. Go ahead and implement it and you'll see more results, I promise you. Key lessons. Number 1, quality over quantity. Target smaller, high quality groups. Number 2 is leverage tools effectively. Instant Data Scraper plus Make.com if you have the ChatGPT Pro version and the paid version, or you can do it for free as well. Make sure also to get the quick macros for Windows or the auto clicker for the Mac. And lesson number 3, personalization is king. Tailor each message to resonate with the recipient. Here's my personal outreach lessons from my experience. 1, the harder it is to access the group, the better the leads. So make sure to pay to enter the group. Believe me, it will pay you tenfold. Lesson number 2 is focus on creating curiosity and relevance in your first message. How can I make it relatable to the lead, and how to spark curiosity, right? So they can reply to you. And lesson number 3 is outreach isn't just a numbers game. It's also about building real connections and relationship game, whether they buy or not. So if you just focus on building relationships, and if you just focus with the purpose to help your lead, then they will feel it through your energy and they want to work with you and they will throw money at you, I promise you. So these are my outreach lessons from my experience. So what's next? I need 2 things from you. If you really found this video valuable, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Also put notifications on so you can stay up to date with my latest videos. 2, if you want more personalized help, then click on the link in the description to learn about how we'll help you scale to 15K plus a month using our new CAM plus Inception AI automation system. CAM stands for Client Attraction Machine. If you notice that I do everything with acronyms, that's how I remember, and that's how I help myself and my clients, so we can have systems in place, repeatable systems to get the result that you want. This will work well if you're a coach, consultant, or agency owner. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. I hope you get a lot of value, and I'll talk to you soon. This is Saif signing out. Peace. I'll talk to you soon.